Eto komachielo bende ni pok mag omenda maromo bilion 784.5 dhi konyo e bero sektorno mar somo e pacho ka. Kama ni ler mogol kan kod jatend migawo weche mag somo thur kane man migosi Julius Ogamba ne wuoyo e sach romo kata romo mar jopuonje kata jotend skunde mag secondary e gweng' ma Mombasa. Wach ni piny owacho kod migawo mar weche mag somo osebedo ka koro keto sinani weche mag neno chwalo omenda moromo e skunde mopogore opogore e pacho kae kaka yor mar bero sekta no mar somo. Jatelo no bende koro ni nowacho ni pok ni nyiso ni ikruok ma sirkal ni godo en mano makare e bero sekta no kochopo ka chiko chopo lek no mano mar somo no ng'e kaka CBE. Kama bende nomene sirkal osendiko jopuonj maloyo 100,000 ka koro ni klese maromo 33 bende oseger. Kama bende kuonde somo ng'ere kaka laboratory mag somo mag science maromo 1,600 bende koro piny owacho temo keto skunde mopogore opogore ma pacho ka kaka achiel kuom neno ni somo no mano mar CBE ochopo kare. Jatelo no ne wuoyo kama.
As a government, we acknowledge that the sector has challenges that require to be addressed. Whereas education continues to receive the highest percentage of this country's annual budget, there are still gaps that require intervention. For this coming financial year, the sector has received the highest allocation at 784.5 billion. And with this budget, we want to affirm our commitment to continue addressing some of the systematic challenges that have faced this sector. This sum has been raised from what we received last year, which was 702 billion to 784. So we intend to work very diligently to ensure that because of these resources, we will be able to resolve some of the long outstanding challenges that we face. These challenges, many of which are featured in this conference in one form or another, include infrastructure limitations, capitation that we've been talking about, and financial strain and teacher shortage, which the THC is working on, including the welfare and the promotion of all our teachers. Over the last 3 years, the government has demonstrated continuing commitment to resolving these challenges. Since 2023, for instance, we have employed a record of 100,000 teachers, and we are set to do another 20,000 teachers beginning, 24,000 teachers beginning this July to bridge the teacher deficit. We continue growing this number to ensure that our schools are optimally staffed. We've had long discussions with TSC that other than including the increment of teachers, we need to do harmonization and rationalization of our teachers, because some schools have more teachers while others do not have. So we are working towards ensuring that there is equity in the distribution of teachers in all our schools. During the same period, we have constructed over 23,000 classrooms to supporting the transition under the competency-based education. And for senior schools, we now have secured funding to construct 1,600 laboratories to support the STEM pathway. On